Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sebastian Mars and welcome back to Master Entrepreneur. In today's video, we define what is direct response marketing and what is direct response copywriting. They are very important in your success if you're going to start as a small business. Question 1. What is direct response marketing? So direct response marketing is a type of marketing that requires or demands an action on the part of the listener or the reader. Basically, what you're looking for is to get an immediate action on your customer's part or your prospect's part, so you can generate a sale, a subscription, an opt-in, or anything in that matter that you can then count and see the result immediately. So it is not like traditional marketing or brand marketing where we require brand awareness and see in the long run if our marketing is working. Direct response marketing requires an immediate action. Direct response marketing requires an action on the part of your listener, your reader, while traditional marketing only is looking for brand awareness, which is not what you want as a small business. And what is direct response copywriting? They are very important in your success if you're going to start as a small business, an opt-in, or anything in that matter that you can then count and see the result immediately. So it is not like traditional marketing or brand marketing where we require brand awareness and see in the long run if our marketing is working. Direct response marketing requires an immediate action in their sales and in their clients base. So basically that's the difference. Direct response, immediate action. Traditional marketing, long-term game. So you can mix both, but as a small business, I would suggest that you use primarily direct response marketing and specifically direct response copywriting. We'll talk more about direct response copywriting in the next questions. And learn that skill, that very, very valuable skill that could be worth millions to you in the future. Effective direct response marketing campaign usually includes an enticing call to action. It also includes a strong value proposition. It also includes a well-defined target audience, agency, and a way to calculate result or measure results in the long run. So basically, if you have all these ingredients, it is a direct response marketing campaign. And with each direct response marketing campaign, you can measure the result immediately. That is why it is so effective and worthwhile your effort to learn direct response marketing. And if I were you, I would start by learning direct response copywriting, which is an essential skill if you're going to be an entrepreneur. How important is audience segmentation in direct response marketing? Well, it is really, really important because it gives you the opportunity to segment your readership or your listeners and also pinpoint exactly the traits you're looking for in a customer so you can talk directly to them so it makes sense to them when they read your letter or listen to your video. They get enticed easily because you're talking directly to them with your text, with your copy, and it makes it that more full and effective in the long run. Basically creating more results, generating more results, generating more revenue, putting money in your bank account. That's what you want, right? What is A/B testing in direct response marketing? So basically, A/B testing is creating one or more variation of your ad and testing each variation against one another to see which one performs the best. Once you have a winner, you should try to compete with that variation, the one that's a winner, and come up with one that's going to beat it. That should be your only goal. We call it so you take the variation and you compete against one another to see which one is going to come on top. So it's a great way to always get a winner and incrementally get a better and better advertisement. How do you create a compelling headline in direct response copywriting? A compelling headline should arouse curiosity, answer question, and also be a attention grabber that pulls your reader into your text, your copy, so you can make the pitch. So the most important, I'm gonna repeat this, the most important aspect of your copy is your headline. You should spend 90% of your time crafting a compelling headline that's going to grab the reader a great headline is going to pull the reader by the throat and pull him into your copy. Simple as that. A great headline is also usually really concise and to the point. It doesn't have extra words, or it is really concise, tight, and really condensed. So no unnecessary words. What is a hook in direct response copywriting and why is it so important? So what is a hook in direct response copywriting? Basically, it's what interests your reader to keep on coming to your text and read it till the end. So what is a hook in direct response copywriting? It's what grabs your reader's attention, brings them to your world, so you can make the pitch to them and keep them interested till the end. So he's so compelled to pull out his credit card and make a purchase that he has no choice because you left him no choice. Your text or your copy was enticing, it was interesting, and you made him so hungry to get what you have to sell that he's gonna only have one choice. Pull out his credit card and either call you or go online and make a purchase, or if you're using ClickFunnels, go through the next phase of your funnel, pull out this credit card and just give you money. It's simple as that. That's how a great hook can be to your business. Just piles of cash into your bank account because of that one hook. How do you address objection in copywriting or direct response copywriting? Well, in direct response copywriting, it is one of the most important thing is to clearly and effectively counter the objections of your readers or your listeners. If you do that, it's 90% of the game is won, and they're gonna pull out their credit card and go and give you money for what you have to offer or to sell. So basically, counter objection to their objections can be done with bullet points that not only state the features of what you have to sell mostly, but you have to really clearly define the benefits they will have in using your product or service or anything that you have to sell, courses. So clearly stating the benefits they will. So what is the key goal of copywriting in direct response marketing? Well, it's to create a sense of urgency and persuade the reader or the listener to take action immediately in a compelling and straightforward manner, so that the listener or the reader is compelled to take action and make either a purchase, an opt-in, a subscription, or anything that you want them to do. That is the key to copywriting in direct response marketing, and it is really, really important to understand and learn that skill, that very, very valuable skill that could be worth millions to you in the future. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you being here. And remember, I'm giving away a complete brand giveaway worth $55,000. I'm a certified brand specialist in the sports branding space. So if you need, just subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.